Here I am again looking at the two Blackmagic grow pails and the two grow lights that I'm looking at. The one on the left is from Vivosun, it's a VS1000, and the one on the right hand side is a Spider Farmer SF1000. During my last update, I was able to show you that the plant had almost doubled in size, and it was on day 5. The leaves were very yellowish cast, and so since that time I have updated the nutrients with fresh nutrient, and I have backed off the light intensity by turning the dimmer knob down to around 30%. So what you're looking at right now is, in the past 6 days, the plant has again almost tripled size, at least doubled from the last update, and is looking very lush and green compared to the update prior. So I am very happy with the results so far. A good indication of the vigor of the plant, as well as the light above it, is that the plant is going out nearly horizontal and not stretching up towards the light, so it's showing me that is getting enough light for photosynthesis without having to grow upwards. There are 8 true leaves on the plant, and I'm starting to wonder if some of the buds on the central part of the stem are actually going to turn into flowers. If so, this is going to be exciting because it's pushing the plant hard to start fruiting. Overall, I'm very pleased with the Spider Farmer light that I'm using over this plant. Underneath the grow deck, the roots are also looking very healthy. A healthy root for my grows typically tends to be more white than yellow, and the central spot where it is planted is getting streams of nutrient streamed out from 4 different sites towards the roots. As mentioned in prior videos, I am not using any grow media, and there is a small seed starting sponge that is enclosed in a neoprene cloning collar. I'm actually wondering if the Spider Farmer LED light is contributing to the rapid production of squash on this plant. The light distribution on these diodes is very full spectrum, and it's weighted with some infrared diodes as well. This is week 6 of 16, and I am expecting to have a very large plant with lots of zucchini before that time. So if you are curious, continue to follow along as I journal this grow. These cucumber plants have been growing for around 6 months and are doing well still. It is the Isnik variety and parthenocarpic. They're growing in the same grow pail as I'm growing the zucchini under the Spider Farmer light, but I just wanted to include these along with this video.